video. If you're new here, this is Grace. You're welcome to my kitchen, and today we are going to make pineapple rice recipe. So I don't want to take much of your time. Before we go into this video, thumbs up this video, and if you're new here, you're welcome. Subscribe if you love what to see, if you want to see more of my recipe. So today, like I said, we are cooking pineapple rice. It's the time of the season that we have to spice up things, make different dishes for our family. So I thought to share this recipe with you. Let's go into the video. Here are the things I'm using. This is the main thing we are using: pineapple and some vegetables, carrots, yellow pepper. I'm going to use half of it, half of another pepper, red pepper is a frozen one, and this pepper, and my scallion. And I'm not going to use too much of onions, just these onions. And lastly, my shrimps. So let's cut the pineapple now. Welcome back. I am adding my oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So at this point, I'm adding my seasoned shrimps. I season it with salt, thyme, curry, and a little bit of mango. So I will just fry it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will take it off. As you can see, I am doing that now. So after I do that, I will burn my onions, my diced onions, just a little bit of onions, not too much. You don't want the flavor to overpower the taste of the juice. So I'll leave it to fry for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I poured my mixed veggie. So I'll just fry this mixed veggie for 6 minutes, depending on how you want it. If you want it too soft, you can fry it more than that. But for my, I want it crunchy a little bit. I don't want it too soft, so I'll just fry it. And this is my carrot. I added my carrots. I will fry everything for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, I will take it off the heat. And I'm using this pot for the rice also. So just follow the process, don't click out, and remember to give this video a thumbs up. It will help the video. So at this point I added my oil because I discovered the oil was not enough. So I added my oil to fry it for 6 minutes like I said, and after that I'll just put my salt to taste. I'm not going to add another salt to the rice. And this is my seasoning cube. I'm not adding any other seasoning because I don't want to use too much of seasoning to overpower the juice, the pineapple juice, because remember you want the taste of that juice, so you don't want to use too much of seasoning to overpower the taste. So I mixed it together for the seasoning cube and the salt to combine well, and look at it, not too soft. So at this point I will take it off the heat like you can see. After that I will introduce my rice into the same pot. I'm using the same pot for this. So voila, I have the rice, and I'll just stir it up for a bit before adding my juice, just for it to fry for a little bit. Yeah, so after it was combined together, I added the star of the show, which is our pineapple juice. Farms, make sure you use a very good pineapple juice that tastes so sweet. Yeah, so make sure you use a very ripe one. So this pineapple juice was so good. As you can see, it was really good. The color was popping. It was popping, popping, popping. I love the color and I love pineapple juice. I also have a recipe for pineapple juice and smoothie on my channel. I will leave it in the end screen for you guys to try it out this festive period. So I used more than half of the pineapple juice. As you can see, I almost finished it. So I will stir it together and add water. Yes, I think I added water off camera. I added a little bit of water to cook it, depending on the brand of your rice, if your rice cook on time. So you can see my seasoning cube, my stock. I'm using goat stock. Remember, don't use too much of stock, just a little bit. You see the one I use, not too much. Then I combine together for the taste to be perfect. And you see, I didn't add any salt or seasoning cube. I've already done that to my veggies, so I'll just leave it to cook for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, guys, I added my scallion, which is green onions. Some people call it green onions. So I just stir it together, and I will add my fried vegetables. And at this point, you see, it's already popping, and it was really, really good. I will also be trying this, I think, during the new year for my family. I added my shrimps because it was a eat. My family really enjoyed it. My kids, I didn't expect that they were going to eat this. You hear the comment of my little girl after this clip. She really loved it. She finished it. My boy also. So your family will really enjoy this festive period. I'm in Nigeria. We don't want to eat the regular jollof rice we've been eating all year, or fried rice. This is another one recipe you can try for your family this festive season. And if you are watching from Facebook, if you prepare it, just take a picture and tag me. Let me know that you prepared this. And if you a content creator probably watching from YouTube, you can also tag me. I'll love to see that. Let's prepare this for our family this season, and also show love to people out there. A lot of people are going through a lot of stuffs this year already. Homeless are out there. Prepare food you can give them, your neighbors you can give them. Share love, show love to people. So this is it. And remember, I told you not to throw away your pineapple bowl, so I added it and I was eating it from there. It was really good. Scraping the skin of the pineapple, putting it together with this, right? It was a eat, guy. It was really perfect, so yummy, so delicious, and it will be a good dish for this season, for this festive period. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's really important. And if you are watching, you love what you see, please subscribe. And you can see I put the remaining in the fridge, and this is the juice, the fresh pineapple juice. It was really good, guys, and I will leave you to enjoy the rest of it.
Good life. Let's do cheers to the good life.
So that's it, guys. We've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoy watching, and I hope you're going to prepare this with your family this festive period. Yeah, let me know if you're going to prepare this for your family in the comment section. We're going to see you in our next video.
Have a thumbs up, guys.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Daniel, bye.